I spent over 65 hours testing ActiveCampaign, Brevo, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this ActiveCampaign versus Brevo comparison, I'll break down their key features like landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendation. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is right for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are user-friendly but target different complexity levels. ActiveCampaign is pretty easy to use for such a feature-packed tool. The design is clean with helpful features like demo data and personal onboarding service. Their live chat button is available on every page. However, with so many features, it can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the platform can feel laggy sometimes when loading big sections like automation workflows. Brevo's platform is fast and easy to navigate. The layout makes sense and the interface is clean. And whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been doing it for years, you'll feel comfortable right away. The dashboard gives you a helpful section for getting started, and there's a smooth campaign creation process that's simple to follow. Both platforms offer solid editors with different philosophies. ActiveCampaign's drag and drop editor works really well and feels user-friendly. You can save custom blocks to reuse and even see revisions and changes that others have made. It's possible to build a separate version of your email for mobile and hide content when viewed on mobile devices. One handy feature is adding actions like adding tags when contacts click on elements. Brevo has a drag and drop email editor that is easy to use and runs smoothly. There are 13 blocks you can choose from to create your emails. Even though it's missing some engagement-focused blocks like survey and countdown timer blocks that other platforms offer, it still gets the job done efficiently. ActiveCampaign has the advantage in template sophistication and quantity. They have over 250 modern-looking email templates. You can upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit for consistent branding. It's also possible to save content blocks and reuse them across all your future emails. A cool feature is an AI-powered brand kit where they automatically pull information from your website to generate on-brand email templates. Brevo provides 48 email templates that all work well on all devices and their design looks professional and appealing. You can also upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand library for consistent branding. Plus, you can save content blocks like footers to reuse across different emails, which saves time. Both platforms offer basic landing page functionality, but neither excel here. ActiveCampaign's landing page editor provides a good selection of modern-looking templates which can be hosted on your own custom domain. On the professional plan and up, you can create personalized web experiences. However, the form builder is super basic with no templates. Brevo's landing page editor provides an okay selection of 16 simple templates. However, you'll only start having access to use one landing page from the standard plan onwards, which is a real negative. The landing page feels clunky and disconnected from their much smoother email editor. The forms are surprisingly advanced though. You can let subscribers choose which list they want to join and even ask multiple choice questions. However, there are no form templates and you can't A/B test forms. Brevo wins ease of use with a more streamlined interface and better performance. While ActiveCampaign offers more templates and AI-powered branding, Brevo's cleaner navigation, faster performance, and more intuitive dashboard make it easier to use overall. Brevo's smooth campaign creation process and lack of overwhelming features make it more beginner-friendly despite having fewer advanced options. Features. Both platforms excel at segmentation with different approaches. ActiveCampaign offers really good segmentation, letting you combine a wide range of filters like website visits, email engagement, and purchases. You can add tags to organize your contacts better without any restrictions. Brevo lets you create filters that work as segments based on contact information and behavior like email opens and clicks. You can also set up automated workflows to create new mailing lists based on demographics, behavior, and lead scores. The key advantage is unlimited contact storage. You only pay for emails sent, not contacts stored. This is where ActiveCampaign shows its enterprise-level superiority. They really stand out here. Their flowchart-style marketing automation is unbeatable and extremely powerful, allowing you to automate follow-up campaigns, create lead scores, trigger abandoned carts, and so much more. There are over 100 triggers and actions and tons of pre-made templates to choose from. However, automations are very limited on their cheapest starter plan. Brevo really shines here. Their automation editor lets you set up smart triggered campaigns based on contact data, email engagement, web behavior, and e-commerce activity. They also have lead scoring and the ability to test workflows before launching them, which is much more advanced than you'd expect from a platform at this low price point. ActiveCampaign has the clear advantage in integration quantity. They offer over 1,000 integration options so you can connect with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And the Zapier integration opens up connections to hundreds of additional tools. The Stripe connection is also really handy for accepting payments straight on the platform. Brevo also connects with the same key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, and Zapier. However, the total number of native integrations is lower than ActiveCampaign's extensive library. This is where Brevo completely dominates. ActiveCampaign primarily focus on email marketing and automation, though they do offer some SMS capabilities on higher plans. Their multi-channel options are limited and expensive. Brevo really stands out from competitors. Unlike most email platforms that only focus on email, Brevo handles email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notification, and live chat all in one place. This makes it perfect for businesses that want to reach customers across multiple channels without juggling different platforms. Both platforms have different deliverability performance. ActiveCampaign has a 93.4% score, which is the highest score from testing, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in the spam folders. Brevo's deliverability rate is the decent 74.7%, which is acceptable but not among the industry leaders. While this means most of your emails will still reach inboxes, it's not as strong as some competitors who achieve rates in the 90s. ActiveCampaign offers much more comprehensive reporting. They allow reporting on pretty much everything: opens, page visits, geo-tracking, and more. E-commerce reports are also available on certain plans. Another great feature is BotSense, which filters out bot-powered clicks and opens from your reporting to give you a more accurate picture. However, this is only available for pro and enterprise users. Brevo provides most of the reports you'll need, including click maps, location tracking, and Google Analytics integration. You can also access conversion data if you've connected an e-commerce platform. However, custom reports aren't available, and if you're on the starter plan or lower, your access to data is quite limited. ActiveCampaign wins features with superior automation and enterprise-level functions. While Brevo excels at multi-channel marketing and unlimited contact storage, ActiveCampaign's unmatched automation with 100 plus triggers and actions, more integration, higher deliverability, and comprehensive reporting with BotSense filtering make it the clear winner for businesses needing advanced marketing automation. Customer support. Both platforms offer migration support with different approaches. ActiveCampaign offers one of the most complete migration packages available. Even on the entry-level plan, you can migrate key elements like contacts, forms, landing pages, automations, and templates. The personalized support with direct account manager communication makes a big difference. Brevo doesn't offer hands-on migration support, positioning themselves as a self-serve platform. However, they offer built-in tools for importing contacts from email platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which comes in handy and doesn't require expensive premium plans. Both platforms have mixed customer satisfaction ratings. ActiveCampaign has a 2.9 rating with over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot. The main complaints are about hidden billing problems, slow and buggy software, and constant price increases. Many users feel trapped by confusing cancellation rules. Brevo has a solid 4.3 rating with almost 7,000 reviews, which is very good overall. However, the main complaints are about their strict policy on account usage and sometimes slow support. If they detect any suspicious activity, they won't hesitate to freeze your account. Both platforms provide good support with different strengths. ActiveCampaign support is fast and friendly across all channels, Their knowledge base is really in-depth and easy to search. They also have video tutorial and webinars. Live chat is available on all plans, but only Monday to Friday for 20 hours and Sunday for 5 hours. Phone support is not available. Brevo provides a universal help button that gives you access to their comprehensive knowledge base or lets you leave a message for support. There's also the Brevo Academy, which is great for email marketing beginners. Phone support is available for personal and enterprise users, Monday through Friday, but they no longer have live chat support on any plan. Customer support is roughly equal, with both platforms having different strengths. ActiveCampaign provides superior migration assistance and more comprehensive training resources, while Brevo has a better Trustpilot rating and phone support on their higher plans. Both platforms have concerning aspects though, ActiveCampaign's billing complaints and Brevo's account freezing policy, making this category a tie. Pricing. This is where the difference becomes massive. ActiveCampaign offers a free trial, but no permanent free plan. Their starter plan begins at $79 per month for 5,000 contacts, but it's pretty limited in features. You'll have to upgrade to the Pro plan at $205 per month to start utilizing all the extra features ActiveCampaign is known for. Brevo really shines with their unique pricing model. Instead of charging based on the number of contacts like most competitors, Brevo charges based on how many emails you send. The free plan gives you 300 emails per day, which equates to 9,000 per month, with unlimited contact storage. The starter plan begins at $9 per month for 5,000 email sends with unlimited contacts, and the standard plan costs $18 per month. Brevo dominates pricing with a much cheaper email-based pricing and unlimited contact storage. The pricing difference is staggering. For a business with 5,000 contacts sending 10,000 emails per month, you'll pay $17 with Brevo versus $79 for ActiveCampaign. That's over 4 times more expensive with ActiveCampaign. Brevo's model means you can build a huge email list without worrying about costs until you actually send more emails, while ActiveCampaign charges premium prices for advanced features. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the links in the description below. This has been one of the toughest comparisons because both platforms excel in different areas and score very high overall marks. So I would recommend ActiveCampaign if you need advanced features on marketing automations and reporting, and you have the budget for it. But if you want great general email marketing features with multi-channel capabilities and unlimited contact storage, Brevo provides everything you need at a fraction of the cost. So now you're ready to get started with ActiveCampaign or Brevo, I recommend watching this full ActiveCampaign tutorial or Brevo tutorial next.